Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can log out your WhatsApp account from your WhatsApp web. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. If you want to log out from here on your PC, you can simply open your WhatsApp web or the app that you have installed, and then you have to do is simply go to settings, and then you will see over here a bunch of options over here. You can see over here the last option over here, logout option. You can do from here, or as well you can do from your phone as well. So you have to do is on your phone, go to settings and then go to link devices, and then remove the device that you want to remove it from your WhatsApp. And as well you can do it from the web. You have to simply click on this logout, and it's gonna be show you this pop-up, and then click on logout, and then it's gonna be logged out to your WhatsApp account, and you will comes in this page to link your account again from here. So that's it. That's how you can log out your WhatsApp account from web. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.